So I just found the gold mine to making money on Instagram. Long story short, I wanted to make money on my Instagram pages because I run an over 100,000 follower network on Instagram, and I have a couple monetization methods where I can make money on my pages, but I wanted to find some better and easier ways. So I went ahead and watched a ton of Bia Heza videos, Jared West videos, and other Instagram YouTubers that had tips to make money on Instagram, and I went ahead and took the best tips out of all 3 of those videos that I watched and put them into one video. So now you can have a short video going over the absolute best ways to make money on Instagram. And yes, I've tried all these methods and they work best for me. I'm gonna be explaining how to do them, how you can make money on Instagram, and how you can get into the gold mine of making money on Instagram. Okay, so getting started with the video, the first method to make money on Instagram is probably the most classic and you've probably heard it thousands of times, and that's selling shoutouts. So if you have a medium-sized to decently large-sized Instagram theme page or meme page, people are gonna slide into your DMs asking to pay you to get a shoutout on your page, either a story post or just a regular feed post, promoting their page and their posts so people from your page will go follow them. And it's a pretty common thing to do. There's a lot of different meme pages and theme pages that are pretty small wanting to buy from you. So if you have a page with good engagement from all the way from 5,000 to 100,000 followers, it's going to be the best range for people to buy shoutouts. And if you have a good page and no one's ever asked you to buy shoutouts and you don't know how to find people to buy shoutouts, check out this website called Shoutouts. It's a website that has over 750 million followers on the whole platform, and people sell shoutouts and there's people looking to buy shoutouts. So they take around 30% of final shoutout fees from whenever you're selling them on your page, but it doesn't really matter because you're still probably making more than if you're selling them naturally, because like I just mentioned, no one was asking you to buy shoutouts. But it's absolutely free to use. You can use it for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, anything, and people are always on there looking for shoutouts, and it's a pretty legit website. I've used it. I wouldn't be recommending it if it was a scam, so make sure you check it out if you're looking to make money, and it works really well. So the next way to make money on Instagram is probably my favorite or the best overall way to make money on Instagram, and that's just classic dropshipping. So I know there's a lot of gurus out there trying to convince you to buy $2,000 courses to go dropship on Instagram or whatever, but it's actually not that hard. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a simple explanation of what dropshipping is and how to do it. So basically, let's say you have a golden retriever Instagram theme page with 10,000 followers, and you can go to websites such as AliExpress, Alibaba, or even Wish. Let's say you find a cool dog walking collar for $3.50. So then you're gonna go ahead and go make a new Shopify store, which is free with the free trial, and list that same dog leash that you don't own that's on AliExpress for, let's say, $15. Then you're gonna advertise that website, the Shopify website, on your Instagram page, and every time someone sees that and think it's cool, they're gonna be like, oh, it's only $15, and they're gonna pay $15 for it. And then once you get the money from that sale, you're gonna go ahead and order the one for $3.50 on AliExpress and ship it straight to their address, which they list you in Shopify. So then you take an $11 profit for just promoting a free product. If you guys want more help with dropshipping or any of these ways, make sure you guys can DM me on Instagram at Ethan KING. I respond to almost every single DM. If you guys need help with your Instagram pages or help learning about dropshipping, I'd be happy to help you. So the next way is for iPhone users only. At the moment, it's coming to Android really soon, but as of right now, you can only get it on the iPhone App Store, and that's the plug. And when I say the plug, I don't mean the illegal thing that I can get arrested for, but it's an app that lets you monetize your Instagram page. So if you have around 10,000 followers or above on your Instagram page, you'll most likely get accepted because that's around the base range of followers that the plug accepts. And what it does, it gives you your own personalized app link to the App Store that people can download apps from. And if you promote that link in your Instagram store on anything else, whenever someone downloads an app from that link, you get paid a commission. And so over time, if you have a big page, you just constantly promote it on your story and say it's something cool, then people are probably going to download it depending on what niche it is. It works really well for meme pages and bigger theme pages, but if people download the app, then you can make a solid amount of income. I've made around $20 a week from a 15,000 follower page, and it works really good. So the next way to make money is definitely one of the most common ways to make money, but it's also one of the best. Underneath dropshipping, it's kind of like dropshipping, but it's selling clothes, is where you can use a website such as Teespring or Printful and make your own custom shirts, hoodies, pants, any clothing apparel items, and it gives you your own free e-commerce store people can go and buy clothes from, and you customize them to your niche, or if it's a meme page, just make cool meme shirts, clothes, and promote them on your page, and people probably buy them, and you get around a $5 profit per sale. I've tried selling custom clothes before on a meme page, and it actually worked surprisingly well. Besides dropshipping, I think selling clothes is a lot easier. If you're a more beginner to the e-commerce world, I definitely try selling clothes because it works really well and you can definitely make a lot of money doing it. So in short, if you're an absolute beginner trying to make money on your Instagram page, the first recommendation would be the plug, because it's pretty easy. It's all passive. You don't do anything actively, and you don't have to worry about losing money or anything because you don't have to spend any money in the first place. But if you're a little more intermediate and want to start getting a lot more money, you can start selling clothes or even drop shipping. And just for everybody who wants to make a little bit of money, shoutouts are a basic thing. Just don't do too many, because I see some pages that do like 5 shoutouts per day and they lose followers and lose engagement because you can only do 1 or 2 shoutouts a week, because your followers are there to see the niche or the memes that you post, not just promoting other pages, and it's gonna make them want to unfollow. So guys, it's been a pretty short video. I want to tell you guys the best ways to make money on Instagram. Please like and subscribe because I need money, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'm out. Peace out.